Hello students, welcome back in our ENV class. Today we will continue with the chapter Ria Reached Uncle's Home. In today's video we will discuss about train ticket and train timetable. So let's start. Now look at the picture of train ticket. Find the information given below from the ticket and write. So here this is the picture of train ticket. In this ticket there is so many information given there. First one is PNR number, that is passenger name record. Train number. Here train number is 9037. Date of journey, that is 24/12/2018. Kilometer, that means how many kilometers passengers will travel, that is 643. Here adult. Adult means a fully grown person. And here 2 adults will travel from this ticket and 1 child. So there is total 3 persons will travel from this ticket. Is coach, that A1. Berth, seat number, that is 21, 23, 22. Now person is male or female, that is written here. M stands for male and F stands for female. This is their age. Now this is the total cash that they pay for journey, that is 2578. So now write down all the information. First one is train number, that is 9037. Second is date of journey, that is 24/12/2018. Now coach and seat number. So coach is A1 and seat number is 21, 22 and 23. Fare of ticket. Fare means rent. That is rupees 2578. Now distance in kilometer. That is 643. How many people travel? That is 3. 3 people travel. The ticket is for how many men and women? So there is 2 men and 1 woman. Now what other information can you find from the ticket? Write it. So there is other information like ticket number, name of train and PNR number, that is passenger name record. We can find from the ticket. Railway gives detail about the route of every train. Besides this, it also gives details of other stations, at what time train reaches and what time departs, distance covered, etc. We can buy railway timetable from railway station. This is one railway timetable from Bandra terminus to Ahmedabad junction. So here first one is serial number, then station name and station code. Then arrival time, departure time and day. Now, the details of Ria's train is given in this timetable. Look at it carefully and give the answers to the questions given below. This is the timetable of Ria's train. And this is name of the train, that is Kutch Express. So here's information like name of station, arrival time, departure time, hold time, distance and day are given in this timetable. Name of stations will show that from which station journey will start and from which station it ends, and in between how many stations will it cover. Arrival time. This is arrival time. For example at Anjar, so arrival time is 24 hours. Departure time, then hold time, distance in kilometer. So this is shows how many kilometers will train travel, and this is day. Now write arrival time of the train at the places given below. So at Gandhidham, train arrives at 20:55 hours. At Ahmedabad, 2:35 hours. And at Surat, time is 7 hours. That means 7 o'clock. Circle the stations in the table which are mentioned in Ria's diary. So there is so many stations given in the railway timetable, but we have to circle only that stations which are mentioned in Ria's diary. So circle Gandhidham, Samkhiali, Ahmedabad, Nadiad, Vadodara, Surat, Valsad and Vapi. So here Ria's journey starts from Gandhidham and ends at Vapi. Now, from which station did the train start? At what time? So from the timetable we can see the train had started from Bhuj at 1950 hours, that is 7:50 p.m. Next, what is the distance that the train travelled from Bhuj to Gandhidham? So the train travelled a distance of 58 km from Bhuj to Gandhidham. On which day of the journey did the train reach Vapi? So the answer is the train reached Vapi on the second day of the journey. Fiona got off the train. After that, how many hours Ria took to reach Vapi? So Ria took 5 hours and 20 minutes to reach Vapi after Fiona got down from the train. And Fiona got down from the train from Nadiad station. How many kilometers did Fiona and Ria travel together? So from Gandhidham to Nadiad, Ria and Fiona traveled together. So Fiona and Ria traveled together for 347 kilometers, and this is from Gandhidham to Nadiad. How many kilometers did Ria travel by train? So Ria traveled total 622 kilometers by train. Next, would you like to write a diary? So yes, everyone would like to write a diary. So if you like to write a diary, then you can make your own diary whenever you are traveling with your family or friends. So here our 8th chapter Ria reached uncle's home is completed. I will send you PDF file of this chapter that you have to write down in your notebook, and all these answers you have to write down in your textbook.